Looking for the best walkie-talkie for adventure, work, or outdoor fun? In this video, we'll share the top 5 best walkie-talkies with great range, clear sound, and smart features to keep you connected anywhere. So let's get started. Item number 5. The ZASTONE UV08 is a powerful digital walkie-talkie designed for reliable long-distance communication. It features 5 watts 10 watts output power, a 2500 mAh battery, and supports up to 200 channels. With a range of 5 km to 10 km, it's perfect for outdoor use. This portable DMR walkie-talkie comes with IP67 waterproof protection, a clear display, and operates within 136 to 174 MHz and 350-480 MHz frequencies. It also supports eSI TS102 digital protocol and AMB plus vocoder for crystal clear audio, making it ideal for adventure, security, and professional communication. Item number 4. Introducing the Retevis HD2. A powerful and feature-rich DMR walkie-talkie designed for outdoor adventures, emergency communication, and professional use. It comes with a 3200 mAh battery, offering up to 35 hours of use, IP67 waterproof rating, and a communication range of 3 to 5 kilometers. The HD2 supports Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band frequency, and stores up to 3,000 channels with 500,000 contacts. With high-low mid-power settings, dual PTT, encryption, and GPS support, it ensures clear, secure, and long-range communication anytime, anywhere. Item number 3. The Colx N76 dual-band walkie-talkie is a powerful and reliable communication device, perfect for outdoor adventures and professional use. With 355 watts output power, 2600 mAh battery, and IP67 waterproof rating, it ensures clear communication even in tough environments. It supports 99 storage channels and covers a range of 3 kilometers to 5 kilometers. Its durable plastic build and portable design make it ideal for emergency responders, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need dependable communication anytime, anywhere. Item number 2. The TIDRADIO TDH3 is a portable dual-band walkie-talkie with a frequency range of 136 to 174 MHz and 400 to 480 MHz. It comes with 3 VIVA output power and a 2500 mAh battery, offering a communication range of 3 km to 5 km. This device supports wireless programming via the Odemaster mobile app, allowing users to easily customize settings and search for nearby repeaters. It also features USB Type-C charging and programming, making it convenient for daily use. Item number 1. The Baofeng UV5R is a powerful dual-band portable walkie-talkie with 5 watt 10 watts output power and a range of up to 16 kilometers. It supports both VHF and UHF frequencies, making communication easier over long distances. Key features include 128 channels, built-in FM radio, SOS emergency alarm, and a super bright flashlight. Its lightweight and compact design is perfect for outdoor adventures like hiking, camping, or hunting. Easy manual and PC programming make it user-friendly, while dual standby ensures smooth communication anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.